The message. Mountain biking is fundamentally different from road biking, city biking, or any other type of biking. When riding on rough terrain with no smooth, flat roads, the wheels hit new bumps or holes every second. For this reason, mountain bikes are equipped with soft shock absorbers, as they significantly increase riding comfort. A few months ago in October 2018, the US company Trust Performance showed its latest development, a bike fork called the Message. It has a slightly different design than standard forks, and you can see it right away. The Message is made of carbon fiber and weighs only 1 kilogram and 980 grams. Its features include bearings that have a larger diameter, as well as the presence of aluminium axles. The advantage is the fact that the fork provides almost constant mechanical movement, regardless of the surface you're riding on. The fork functions as a shock absorber, but the movement is smooth, making the ride easier and more comfortable. The cyclist practically doesn't need to change the riding style, adjusting to the surrounding landscape. Also, the manufacturer emphasizes the stability that the fork provides when braking, without dropping too much down. It's noteworthy that the Message requires maintenance after every 250 hours of riding, which is approximately 5 times less frequent than the required time of competing models. The price of the fork is $2,700. TRON XD. If you want to buy an expensive, fancy bike, spending money on it is only one part of the task. The second part is to ensure that your bike is stored in a safe way and that you can park it. Bicycle locks are available on the market in abundance and have a simple design, but they don't provide a sufficiently high level of security. TRON XD from ULAC is a bike lock that is an exception to the rule. It allows you to not worry about the safety of even the most expensive bike, because it can only be opened by the owner. The thing is that the lock was equipped with a fingerprint scanner. Thus, the TRON XD is easy to put on and off the bike. In addition, the lock is water resistant, and one charge is enough for 2,200 locks. You can buy it for $90. The RearViz. All modern vehicles, whether it be cars, motorcycles or scooters, are equipped with rear-view mirrors. Thanks to these mirrors, the driver has better control over the vehicle, and therefore rides safely for themselves and others. Despite the fact that cyclists are also road users, their bikes aren't usually equipped with such mirrors. Specialists from the company RVI Active decided to put an end to this. For a price ranging between $38 and $50, depending on the model, they offer a bracelet equipped with a special mirror. It has a solid construction and opens in just a second. It's equipped with a high-quality lens too. It can rotate, making it more convenient. With the RearViz mirror, a cyclist no longer needs to look back to know what's going on behind them. It'll be useful for amateur cyclists who ride around the city, as well as for athletes to better understand their position on the route. reTyre 1. This is the result of 2 years of development and testing. In October 2018, the Norwegian company reTyre showed unique tyres that allow you to ride comfortably and safely in any weather and on any surface. The reTyre 1 is a system that consists of removable rubber treads attached to the wheel with a zipper. It takes just 60 seconds to remove one tread and replace it with another. The procedure is so simple that you can change the tyres several times during a single trip. According to the manufacturer, the tread mount is strong enough to allow the rider to safely accelerate to high speed or make sharp turns. In other words, the performance of reTyre 1 is no different from any other quality tyres. The material for the tyre consists of 90% natural rubber. The manufacturer offers 3 models too: a universal model with a wide pattern, an off-road option, and an option with spikes for winter. In the future, the reTyre range will feature tyres with built-in LEDs, as well as environmentally friendly versions made of coconut fibres or 100% recycled rubber. Remarkably, the folded treads take up almost no space, so they're easy to take with you on the road. reTyre 1 is available in different sizes to fit any bike. 2 base tyres can be purchased for $111, and a set with 2 pairs of replaceable treads will cost $260. Shuttle Bike Kit. If you've ever been upset that you can't enter a cheat code in your life, like in GTA, and then ride any vehicle directly on the water, this device was meant for you. The Shuttle Bike Kit is a unique set developed by the Italian company SBK Engineering. With it, the most ordinary bike can be turned into a catamaran for riding on water. When folded, the kit fits into a standard-sized backpack and weighs 11 kilograms. The Shuttle Bike Kit doesn't need any special sophisticated tools to assemble it, and one person can handle the procedure. The deployment time of the catamaran is only 10 minutes. The only condition is that the bike frame must have round tubes or a similar shape, as the special clips are mounted on the bike and remain on it permanently. The kit includes a special pump that allows you to inflate the catamaran by pedaling. Maximum capacity of the construction is 125 kilograms. That is, any average person can ride on such a catamaran. The price starts at $1,500. The chest trainer. To fully train and burn 500 to 1200 calories per hour, it's not necessary to visit the gym or even leave the house. The chest trainer is a small console that turns any bike into a real exercise bike. 10 levels of difficulty allow you to choose the right load, regardless of the level of training. But that's not all. The chest trainer has other unique, interesting features. The chest trainer converts your pedaling power into electricity, which is then stored in a portable battery that comes with the kit. It can be used as an ordinary battery to charge a variety of devices. The manufacturer says that the chest trainer can have a serious impact on the environment. According to calculations, if at least 1% of the residents of a large country, such as the US, were to ride such a simulator every day for an hour, it will reduce the emission of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere by 75,000 tons per year. The same result could be achieved by removing 16,000 cars from the road. VR glasses will make training not only beneficial, but also interesting. The manufacturer has prepared several programs for the chest trainer's users, so that they can virtually ride in the countryside without leaving their homes. The cost of such a simulator is $500.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.